Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a fully restored 1978 Ford F150. This truck is an F150 Ranger XLT. So that means you get a 351 400 engine, automatic transmission. This truck has power steering, it has power brakes, it has factory air conditioning, two-tone paint, dark green and a light green, all the racetrack moldings, all the stainless, all the bright work. You want to talk about probably one of the nicest 78, 79 Ford pickups I've seen in a long time. Here it is. This truck has been nut and bolt, rotisserie, frame off, restoration done on this truck. All the stainless, all the chrome, all the bright work on this truck is absolutely gorgeous. And yes, it looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and videos. It looks better in person than it does in the pictures and videos. Truck is absolutely gorgeous. New wheels and tires, BF Goodrich all-terrain TA tires, aluminum slot wheels. What a honey of a truck. You're looking for one of these? Don't look any further. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Our website, www.kenyonauto.com. Check out the interior in this truck. All brand new. The seat, the carpet, the headliner, the sun visors, the dash pad, everything on this truck is absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Headliner, LED dome light. All the glass in this truck is absolutely gorgeous. New seat belts, new kick panels, new sill plates. Look at the jams on this truck. This truck is a Barrett-Jackson quality truck all day long. This truck probably brings 100 grand at Barrett-Jackson. I'm not even exaggerating. It's just that nice. Look how that door shuts.
Yeah.
Truck is absolutely stunning in every way. Beautiful, beautiful 78 Ford pickup. Check out the paint on this thing. This truck was a Southern truck its whole life, and it shows. The thing is super, super nice. It's got a brand new instrument cluster, new gauges. This truck has 37 miles on it since restoration. Air conditioning blows cold. It starts good. It runs good. That's all right. LED lights in the dash. Radio works, air conditioning works. Four-wheel drive works in the truck.
All your lights work.
It's an absolute gorgeous truck. Say power steering, power brakes. This truck is absolutely stunning. Underneath this truck looks just as good as the top side. I don't want that out. This truck is absolutely spotless, inside, outside, under the hood. This thing is absolutely stunning. Shut them flashers off. If you're looking for a truck like this, there's no sense going anywhere else or looking anywhere else. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. We got it for you. Here it is. What a beautiful truck. Inside, outside. I drove this truck. The truck came out of the South. I bought it last week. I drove the truck. It runs and drives absolutely fantastic. I only put 3 or 4 miles on it. That's all I had to do is put a few miles on it, and I could tell you it's a wonderful truck. The underneath of it looks great. We will have pictures on our website of the underside of this truck. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day. So give us a call if you're interested in this 78 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive pickup truck, or maybe one of the other vehicles that we have in stock. I really appreciate everyone watching our videos here on YouTube. Please hit the subscribe button on the bottom of this page. That way you never miss another quality car from Kenyon Classic Cars. I hope you all have a great day. And I will talk to you later. Thanks, guys.